Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, or you can call me Mimi, or you can call me Caroline Mimi. Today I'm going to be doing a video about my 8-month lock update on my hair. This video is for the people that are transitioning to locks or are on their 8-month journey. So I just want to show you what I've been using, what's been working for me, or any tips that I can tell you about. Disclaimer. I am not a beautician. I am not a loctician. I am not a professional hairstylist. I am just telling you what works for me. Okay? But anyways, let's get to this video. Now, this is what my hair looks like after swimming in the pool, washing it, you know, that kind of stuff. As of 8 months. I'm gonna show you my 3 main products that I use. Technically 2. The 2 main products that I use are my spray bottle. Yeah, see that? Okay. I hope I didn't get no water on my iPad. What I usually do is just spray water in my hair. That way I could get it moving, or basically I'm shaping it to how I want it to lay. And I spray a lot of water in it, I'm not gonna lie. I be spraying my hair with hella water. Because I'm telling you, my hair be stiff. Like stiff. I also have this mixture of oil that I put in here. So I have Jamaican black castor oil in here. I have tea tree oil in here. I also have olive oil in here. I just threw a whole bunch of oils. I can't even remember the other ones that I put in here. But I just mixed a whole bunch of oil in my hair, in here. And then I just put it in a little spray bottle. And I basically spray it like that in my hands, as you can see. And mix that together. And I distribute it in my hair. I also put it in my edges. And that's basically how I go about my day. The last time I twisted my hair was the first week of August. And we're almost, I think we're on the 2nd week of September now. Yeah. So we're in the 2nd week of September. So it's been a couple weeks, I'd say 5-6 weeks. And I'm still debating if I want to twist my hair. I'm honestly getting to the point where I'm feeling more and more comfortable, where I feel like I don't have to do a retwist every month for my locks. I just remember, like, when I first started with my locks, I thought I needed a retwist in my mind, like every 2 weeks. But obviously, for my hair, it's not good for me to do a retwist that quickly. I didn't want my locks to break or anything like that. So I've been trying to push myself to go a little bit further than the 4 weeks. So I'm already at 6 weeks. And I think I'm probably not gonna twist my hair maybe till October. Let's see if I can do 2 months without a retwist. I do like my retwists usually after the 2nd week. I think that when you first get a retwist, I think it's just too stiff for me. I really like my hair to be like flowy like this. Because I just got a retwist, the roots kind of stick to my scalp and it doesn't move as much. Like the ends move, but my roots are so stiff, so I don't get that flowy feeling like I get right now. So that's kind of my thing when it comes to having retwists. Also, I originally started my locks with my hair. If you want to watch my lock journey, I'll also put that above for you so you can check that out. But I started my retwist, I started locking my hair with 121 locks. I have 116 locks now. So I did combine a few over time because I noticed some were a little bit too small for my liking, and that's okay. I just combine them if I feel like they're too small, and then that's what I do. I honestly don't know what my hair color is anymore. It was purple, but now it's this thing, and at first I was just like, girl, what is on your head? But now I'm just like, whatever. But I'm actually going to get it dyed. It's gonna be a temporary dye again, actually next week on Wednesday. So definitely stay tuned for that next video, so that way I can show you kind of what my stylist does. I'm gonna be recording her, or she may be recording, I don't know. But she's gonna be recording the the steps in dyeing my hair. So I'm excited for you guys to see that and just see how I get my hair color. I'm super excited. I'm not too sure what color I want to do yet. I wanted to do lavender, but then also I feel like blue is calling me, but I feel like I should wait before I do blue. Let me just stick to the purples, and then once I've done all the purple shades that I want, then I'll go to blue. But I'm really liking the purple, I'm not gonna lie. I really love the purple. I'm gonna insert a picture right here where you can see like my hair is so freaking bright and vibrant. Like no one could tell me nothing when my hair was purple. Like I was loving it, and everybody was just like, oh my god, your hair is so purple, looks so good. But I don't plan on bleaching my hair maybe for another year, another 2 years. I don't want to be bleaching my hair often, because I feel like it definitely, after 1-2 times, your hair starts to get damaged, and I'm not about that damaged life. I am trying to grow some beautiful natural looking locks. One real good reason that I like to dye my hair is to see how much my hair grows out. So I feel like sometimes when we have the same hair color, if it's not a big change, we really can't tell if our hair is growing. So I feel like when I dye my hair, that demarcation shows me how much my hair is growing, so I can just be like, oh, okay, I see my hair, this is how much my hair grew in 2 months. Wow, cool, you know? That's just me though. I mean, I'm not telling you to go dye your hair. I'm just saying, like, that's what be working for me. Definitely stay tuned for my hair color. I am going to be changing it up. So I guess you'll find out in the next video what my new hair color is gonna be. So definitely wait for that video. If I could tell my past self what it is feeling like 8 months locked in the beginning of my journey, I think I would say is just enjoy all the stages. I feel like in the beginning I was so like wanting my locks to be perfect. I wanted to look like it was retwisted all the time. And now that I'm 8 months, I could care less about that, to be honest. And it's crazy because I honestly felt like I had to get my hair retwisted on time. Like 4 weeks was already pushing it for me. And my stylist, she told me like, okay, you cannot be retwisting your hair more than twice a month. So I have to do it once a month. After that, I kind of was like, oh, well, what am I gonna do with my hair for that long without it being, you know, retwisted? What kind of styles I can do? So definitely check my other videos. I have a video for just doing locks on lazy days, because I'll be lazy, and like the whole point of me getting locks is for me to not do that much work, because I used to be natural and that was way too much work for me. Like I loved my hair, but it was too much work. And I feel like with my locks, like it's just so easy. Like I just wake up and go, look, I just sprayed a little water, put a little oil, and look, I already gave you a side style. Like you didn't even see the style when I got on this video. You know what I mean? I realized like when I be talking, I be getting hella ghetto on here, hella ratch on here. So I hope y'all like it. And if y'all don't, I still gonna have it anyway. At 8 months, I realized that my locks are growing, and I know it seems like, well, obviously you've been had locks for 8 months. Of course, your hair is growing, but honestly, I've gotten to the point where I'm just letting it do its thing, and I'm so excited just to see it grow, like feeling it on my neck, like when I wash my hair, and I'm like, wow, like that's crazy. So it's just the little things, you know, just take your time with your locks. I mean, I've been loving it. I'm gonna show you my least favorite lock, which is this one. I don't even remember when I started my locks if they were that short, but this one, it obviously grew out more, but I'm telling you, when I noticed it, it was literally like this big. I'm like, what happened to my locks? Like, I don't know. So I'm not sure if I want to combine it yet. I really don't know yet. I will let you know, so definitely stay tuned for that. I'm not too sure. But for the most part, I can tell that my hair is starting to kind of grow out of that awkward, it's still kind of there, like the awkward, like layered look, which is like I have a layer right here, and then I have a layer right there, and then I have the bottom, I have like maybe one more layer, and then these bottom layers. So I feel like I got like 4 layers in my hair, but I'm happy to see that this layer right here is kind of like, this layer right here is actually growing out, which is nice, because I'm telling you, my first layer Oh, was right here. Also, I noticed that my locks didn't take that much to actually lock up. By like maybe like month 3 or 4, my hair was already locking up, and I'm not that surprised because I did notice when I would do like finger coils when I was natural just for the actual style, after like 2 3 days that thing would lock up. So if I didn't remove them out, it would already start locking on its own. So I feel like my hair is pretty easy to lock. So I had 4A 4B type natural hair, so I feel like my 4A pieces are still there. I do have some locks that have curly ends. For example, this one, if I can grab it, as you can see, I have little pieces at the end there, like this one. I have little pieces here. You could see my curls are still kind of there. So I do have pieces where my locks just they curl up at the bottom, and I actually like it. I don't care what they do, honestly. It just, the more you have your locks, the more you're just like, hey, it's doing its own thing. And it's like having this cool science experiment on your head, because every day or every month you look at your hair and you're like, whoa, this is not what it looked like before, you know? So I'm feeling it. I could tell you guys on what I think you should do on your 8-month journey is just to find styles that work for you if you're not wanting to, you know, get a retwist quickly. If you want to go stretch it out more than a month, those are the things that I feel like really truly work for me. As the days go by, like throughout the week, those are the things that I usually do, because I notice that I really like when I get home, my hair is down. And majority of the time I wear my hair down, like I just showed you, like I'll just spray it and boom, here goes my hair. As you can see, this is my problem area right here, where I feel like my edges barely be growing. This side, you know, it's not that bad, but this is my problem area. So I really don't be trying to put my hair in these tight buns that I be having. I noticed that I don't do that as much anymore because I don't want to pull on the non-existent edges that I don't already have. So I try to steer away from that. Also, I've noticed that I only wash my hair once a month, or since I live in Florida, I have been going to the pool more often, so obviously I do rinse my hair out. But if my hair, which it hasn't yet, but I'm just saying that if I was to feel or see that my hair was maybe sticky or smelt bad, I would definitely wash it. I'm definitely going to do a ACV rinse on my locks. I'm super excited for that. I have a couple of the things that I need, the items that I need to do that, but I just gotta get a couple more things. Once I do that, I will definitely do a video for you guys so you can see how I do my ACV rinse and see how much dirt and stuff comes out of my hair. Like, I am obsessed with watching those videos. I'm not gonna lie, I wear my bonnet like 80% of the time. I've been getting really bad with that. So that's something that I think that I need to improve on. I'm just keeping it real. Like, I definitely need to improve more on wearing my bonnet every single night, because I'm telling you, when I wake up and I don't wear my bonnet, I definitely regret it. I'm not even lying. I regret it. And you would think that since I regret it, that the following days I'll keep up with it. No. I mean, I'll do it for like one day, but then I forget. So, So definitely, if you're not wearing your bonnet already, wear your bonnet, please. Wear your bonnet at night, especially if you just got a retwist. Keep your retwist fresh. Wear your bonnet, okay? If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to like this video so that way I can continue to bring good content for you, continue to bring great ideas to this platform. Also, if you have any ideas for me, if you have any things that you would like for me to do, please comment down below. I do read my comments and I do try to comment to everybody that writes back. I actually feel like a lot of the comments that I've been getting have been so supportive and has really been pushing me and amping me up to continue making these videos. So definitely leave a comment down below. If you're new, if I haven't met you yet, just tell me what your name is, where are you from, so I can see, you know, where are you guys coming from, you know? Definitely, because, you know, we gonna be a team. Gang, 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 gang. Okay. You didn't see that. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm a mess, but you see those videos right over there? Go ahead and click on these videos. That video is really good, and that video is pretty good. Check them out. Okay, bye.